Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from JEE Main 2024, 1st February shift 1st. The length of second pendulum, if it is placed at a height of 2r from the surface of the earth, where r is the radius of the earth, is 10 upon pi square x meter, then find x. So student, here we have that given pendulum is second pendulum. So time period of a second pendulum t equal to 2 second. Okay, time period of a second pendulum means 2 second, and which is given by t equal to 2 pi under root L over G. Okay, since the pendulum is taken at a height of 2r from the surface, so G is changed. So here we take G dash equal to GME over r plus h whole square. Value of gravitational acceleration at a height h from earth's surface is this. So here h is given to us 2r, therefore g dash equal to gme over r plus 2r whole square, gme upon r plus 2r, this is 3r whole square, gme over 9r square, and you know that g equal to gme upon r square at the surface of earth. So therefore 1 by 9 gme over r square, and this is g, so g by 9, therefore g dash become g by 9. Now time period remain constant while it is at the surface of the earth or above the earth. So t equal to 2 pi under root, but length of the pendulum changes due to change in acceleration due to gravity. So acceleration due to gravity is t dash at height h, and this is 2 pi under root L over G dash is G by 9. So this will be 2 pi 9 L over G. Now 2 cancel, we got 1 equal to pi under root 9 L over G. So squaring both side, we got 1 equal to pi square into 9 L upon G. From here on cross multiplication, we got G upon 9 into pi square equal to L. What in question it is given, but L is given to us, which is 10 upon pi square x. 10 upon pi square x equal to G over 9 pi square. Pi square cancel, and you know that 10 upon x, G is, we take 10 upon 9, G is 10 meter per second square. So 10 cancel, on reversing we got x equal to 9 meter. So 9 meter is the correct answer of this question, which is found in option C. So I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.